Shopradip ask everyone to join with using the same link. To join again
Yes.
using the same link.
Yes, sir.
Is it visible to everyone? This slide.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
So, so what is window comparator actually? So window comparator is basically the inverting and the non-inverting comparators, which is combined into a single comparator stage. And the window comparator actually detects input voltage levels that are within a specific band, or it is called window, within a window or range of voltages, instead of indicating whether a voltage is greater or less than some preset or fixed voltage reference point. Okay, so it gives a range or window or band of voltage, specific a certain specific band. Now this time, instead of having just one reference voltage in a normal voltage comparator, so one reference voltage value, a window comparator uh, will have two reference voltages, V reference, one which triggers an op-amp comparator on detection of some upper voltage threshold, which is called the V reference upper, and one which triggers an op-amp comparator on detection of a lower voltage threshold level, which is called the V reference lower. Okay, then the voltage levels between these two upper and lower reference voltages is called the window. That's why it is named as window comparator or window detector. Okay, so using this idea, uh, here also using the voltage divider network, if we now use three equal value registers, so that R1 equals to R2 equals to R3 equals to 1, we can create a very simple window comparator circuit in this way. Also, as the resistive values are all equal, the voltage drop across each register will also be equal at 1/3 the supply voltage. In this also, here in this case also. So far is in this simple window comparator. In this example, you can set the upper reference voltage to 2/3 of VCC, and the lower reference voltage is used as 1/3 VCC. Okay, and so the initial switching condition of the circuit, as I have explained last in last example. So lower voltage level, V reference lower, which equal to 1/3 VCC. So V out will be low. Okay, this will be low. When V in exits this 1/3 VCC lower voltage level, the first op-amp comparator detects this and switches its open collector output voltage, which is high. So this means that both op-amps have their output high at the same time. So no current flows through the pull-up register. This is a pull-up register RL. So V out is equals to VCC in this case. Clear? As V in continues to increase, it passes the upper voltage level here also at 2/3 VCC. Now at this point, the second op-amp, it detects this fluctuation and switches its output as low, and V out becomes equal to the 0. Then the difference between V reference upper and the V reference lower, in this case 2/3 VCC and in this case 1/3 VCC, creates the switching window for the positive going pulse here in this position. Okay, and let's now assume that V in is at its maximum value and equal to VCC. Suppose now as V in decreases, it passes the upper voltage level V reference of the second op-amp comparator, which reaches the output high. As V in continues to decrease, it passes the lower voltage level V reference of the first op-amp comparator, once again switching the output as low. Then the difference between this V reference upper and V reference lower creates a window for the negative going pulse, which is in this case, this position. Okay. And so we can see here that as V in passes above or passes below the upper and lower reference levels set by the two op-amp comparators, the output signal V out will be high or low. In this example, we have set the upper trip level at 2/3 VCC and the lower is at 1/3 VCC. Okay, because we use three equal value of resistors. Okay, but can be any values we choose by adjusting the input threshold values. As a result, the window width can be customized for a given application. Okay, so fixed application. Now, if we use a dual power supply, means plus 10 volt minus 10 volt this type, and upper and lower trip levels, for example plus 10 volt minus 10 volt, and V in was a if it was a sinusoidal waveform, sine wave, then we could use this window comparator circuit as a zero crossing detector of the sine wave, which would produce an output high or low every time the sine wave crossed the 0 volt line from positive to negative or negative to positive. Okay, so it creates a window. So we can take this idea of detecting voltage levels further by connecting a number of different op-amp comparators together with them all using a common input signal, but with each comparator using a different reference voltage set by our now familiar voltage divider network across the supply, and the circuit will be look like this one, the comparator voltage level detector. So here different op amps, the comparator circuits are used. Okay. So here more than 2 comparators are used. And using different reference voltage. Here also, this is reference 1, this is reference 2, reference 3, reference 3. So in this way, more than 2 reference voltages are considered, so that the voltage level can be detected. Okay. So basically, actually the number of increment of this op-amp comparator, uh, it has certain advantages, as more trigger points can be created. As for example, if we had if 8 op-amp comparators in the chain and fed the output of each comparator to a 8 to 3 line digital encoder circuit, we could make a very simple ADC circuit that would convert the uh, analog voltage analog signal into a 3-bit binary code, 0 to 7. Okay, 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 in this way. Okay. So if this type of connection can be used, so we can make a DC circuit of as per our requirement. Okay. If 8 op amps are connected, then it can be used to connect with 8 to 3 line digital encoder circuit. Okay, which can be used to make a DC circuit of making the output as 3-bit binary code output. Okay, that is the use of this type of voltage level detector. Okay,
But
clear.
sir, there is a constant, I think, in using this circuit. Comparators are costlier,
Hmm. Yes.
I get.
Hmm.
And and flash type ADC, what you were talking about,
Hmm.
that is also the costliest among all types of ADCs, I think.
Ah, yes, but there is a chance to make it. Okay, that's why.
Sir,
Ah.
along with a flashlight, this is costlier, but it is very fast also.
Hmm, 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 hmm. Obviously,
So,
but I have given a just idea. How could you make this one to? It's just an example. Okay, you can make this using this type of circuit. Actually, আমার এই মুহূর্তে এটাই মনে পড়লো তাই বললাম, ঠিক আছে? But obviously, to design certain device, the cost is the very very primary thing needs to be considered. Clear? Clear up to this much? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So coming to the next slide, which is open comparator circuit with positive feedback. So we have seen that operation op-amp can be configured to operate as comparators in their open loop mode, and this is fine if the input signal varies rapidly or is not too noisy in that case also. But however, if the input signal V input, which we have specified here, okay, in previous slide also, the input voltage, it is slow to change or some electrical noise is there in the input section, then the op-amp comparator may oscillate, switching its output back and forth between the two saturation levels, okay, plus VCC and minus VCC as the input signal. So it covers around the reference voltage, V reference level. Okay. So one way to overcome this type of problem and to avoid the op-amp from oscillating is to provide a positive feedback around the comparator. Okay, so as the name implies, positive feedback is a technique for feeding back a part or fraction of the output, just like in this case, output signal that is in phase to the non-inverting input of the op-amp via potential divider set up by two resistors with the amount of feedback being proportional to this their ratio. Okay, so the use of this positive feedback around an op-amp comparator means that once the output is triggered into saturation at either level, there must be a significant change to the input signal V in before the output switches back to the original saturation point. And this difference between the two switching point is called actually hysteresis. Now this hysteresis producing in also in Smith trigger circuit. Can you remember it? Smith trigger circuit. And if it is applied with the hysteresis, it looks like this. For the inverting comparator circuit here, this V in applied to the inverting input of this op-amp, registers R1 and R2, it form a voltage divider network across the comparator, providing the positive feedback with part of the output voltage appearing at the non-inverting input. The amount of feedback is determined by the resistive ratio of the two resistors used, and which is given by this equation beta equals to R1 by R1 plus R2, where beta can be used to indicate the feedback fraction. It is called the feedback fraction. Okay, so when the input signal is less than the reference voltage, means V in is less than V reference, the output voltage will be high, that is VOH. This one, output voltage will be high and equal to the positive saturation voltage. Now, as the output is high and positive, the value of the reference voltage on the non-inverting input will be approximately equal to the beta into is the positive sign, beta into the VCC, which is called the upper trip point. Upper trip point, this one, the upper trip point, which is called UTP, upper trip point. As the input signal V in increases, it becomes equal to this upper trip point voltage VUTP level at the non-inverting input. Now this causes the comparator's output to change state, becoming low. V output, this is the lower threshold voltage, lower voltage. So
বুঝতে
VOL
পারছি না
কোন জায়গাটা?
এই জায়গাটা, এই যেটা বলছেন OH OL তারপরে ট্রিপ পয়েন্ট যেটা বললেন, এই জায়গাটা বুঝিনি কিছু।
When the input is V in is less than V reference, the output voltage will be high, which is called as VOH, and equal to the positive saturation voltage. As the output is high and positive, okay, so the value of the reference voltage here in this case, it is approximately equal to the beta into VCC, which is called the upper trip point, UTP. So upper trip voltage is called VUTP, which is this one, this position. Okay.
স্যার আমি তো একটা পার্টিকুলার ভোল্টেজ রেফারেন্স দিচ্ছি, তো ইউটিপি টা আসছে কোত্থেকে বুঝতে পারলাম না ওই জায়গাটাই।
যেটা তোমার এখানে যেহেতু ভোল্টেজ ডিভাইডার সার্কিট, আমরা দুটো রেজিস্টার কানেক্ট করা আছে, ঠিক আছে, একটা ফিডব্যাকে একটা রেফারেন্সে, তাহলে এর মধ্যে যদি ফিডব্যাক ফ্র্যাকশনটাকে ক্যালকুলেট করতে চাই, তাহলে এই রেসপেক্টে ক্যালকুলেট হবে, ঠিক আছে, R1 বাই R1 প্লাস R2।
হ্যাঁ, এটা তো ডিভাইড হচ্ছে।
হ্যাঁ, আর যখন এবার আমি অ্যাকচুয়ালি ভি রেফারেন্স যখন আমি ক্যালকুলেট করব, তখন কি হবে, যে সাপ্লাই ভোল্টেজ ভিসিসির সাথে এই বিটা ফ্র্যাকশনটা ইনটু এ যেটা আসবে, দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড দ্য রেফারেন্স ভোল্টেজ। ভি রেফারেন্সটাই তখন হয়ে যাবে আমার VUTP, আপার থ্রেশহোল্ড মিন্স আপার ট্রিপ পয়েন্ট।
প্লাস ভি সেট হয়ে যাওয়ার পর,
হ্যাঁ হয়ে যাওয়ার পর হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
হয়ে যাওয়ার
তো
পর
স্যার এটা কন্টিনিউয়াসলি চেঞ্জ হতে থাকবে, আমাকে ভি রেফারেন্সটা ক্যালকুলেট করতে থাকতে হবে।
হ্যাঁ।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা।
সো এবারে যদি আমি as the input signal Vin increases, it becomes equal to this upper trip point voltage level. Now this causes the comparator's output to change state, becoming low, VOL, and equal to the wait a minute. আমার চার্জারটা দাও তো, চার্জারটা কি করে? সুইচটা okay, sorry for this interruption. So as now if so this causes the comparator output to change state, becoming low. After that it creates the VOL, okay, this point, lower voltage, which is equal to the negative saturation voltage actually, and hence it is creates the lower trip point also. Okay, this point is called lower trip point. Now the difference এদিক 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 দিয়ে নিয়ে যাও, হবে না, এদিক দিয়ে। ঠিক আছে। So this difference, this upper and lower difference, it creates a second trip point voltage, which is created because of a negative voltage now appears at the non-inverting input, which is equals to the negative part, which is again beta into VCC when it is in lower level, but it is in minus form. Okay, and it creates the negative saturation voltage at the output, which you have shown here in this case. Now then the input signal must now fall below this second voltage level called the lower trip point, LTP, for the VLTP voltage, lower trip point. to change or switch back to its original positive voltage again. So we can see here when the output it changes the state, the reference voltage at the non-inverting input also changes, creating two different reference voltage values and two different switching options. One is called the upper trip point and another is called the lower trip point, VUTP and VLTP. And the difference between these two, it creates a hysteresis, VUTP minus VLTP. Okay. Now the amount of this hysteresis is determined by the feedback fraction beta of the output voltage feedback to the non-inverting input. Now the advantage of this the positive feedback is that resulting comparator, it is used as Smith trigger circuit, which is immune to the unstable triggering caused by noise or slowly changing input signals within the hysteresis band, producing a cleaner output signal, as the op-amp comparator's output is only triggered once. Okay, so it producing a cleaner output signal. That is the application of this comparator with hysteresis. So for positive output voltage V reference, which is actually beta into VCC, that is the positive voltage reference, and for negative purpose, negative output voltage reference, in case of negative voltage reference, it will be again beta into VCC but in negative form. Okay, in the here, and the total. So we can also produce a non-inverting op-amp comparator circuit. After that, we will go to that slide, but before going to discuss these things, okay, okay, non-inverting comparator is also there. In the same way, the arrows of the hysteresis graph indicate the direction of switching at the upper and lower trip points. It will be just opposite of this inverting comparator with hysteresis, the more or less same type of function. That is the inverting, and here is the non-inverting. Okay. So do you have pen and paper with you, everyone? Please take a pen and paper. So there is an example, a problem. You need to calculate this right now. Do you have pen and paper with you, everyone? One problem is given according to the comparator circuit with hysteresis, and you have to calculate the output. Everyone, unmute yourself. Do you have pen and paper with you? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here is the problem statement. An operational amplifier is to be used with positive feedback to produce a Smith trigger circuit. Now, if the resistor, consider the same diagram. Okay, previously I have used. If resistor R1 is 10 kilo ohm and resistor R2 is 90 kilo ohm, what will be the value of the upper and lower voltage strip points of the reference voltage and the width of the hysteresis if the op-amp is connected to a 10 volt plus minus 10 volt power supply, dual power supply. Okay. Uh, have you noted this formulas? This one. Note down these formulas. And using these formulas, you can. এইটা প্রথমে এই ফর্মুলাগুলো একটু লিখে নাও. First, write down this calculation. Then I will show you the problem, and you can calculate this. I have 9 minutes time to end this session. If it is ended, then again you need to join using the same link. Okay.
Sir, could you show the question, please?
Yes, yes. But all of you have finished this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Sir, plus 1 volt and minus 1 volt
Last one.
and minus 1.
Oh, answer. Yes.
Sir,
We,
hello, sir.
yes,
Yes.
Sir, from 2:30 we have a lab of communication.
Hmm?
Sir, from
yes, sir, we
2:30
have a
we
lab.
have a lab from 2:30.
Oh, acha, acha, acha. Okay. Okay. Can you? Okay. What is the width of the hysteresis? You have
2
those.
volt.
Huh?
2 volt.
2 volt. Okay. Who have performed this? Devanka.
Yes, sir. Plus volt, minus 1 volt and
Okay.
2
And
volt.
what about others? Nirmalla, Avantika, Avirupa, Avinash. What will be the result? What will be the output? Can you tell me? Anyone? Or no? Or no?
স্যার উইথ অফ দ্য হিস্টেরিসিসটা 2 ভোল্ট এসছে মানে ওটা হবে
Sir, width of this is 2 volt.
Hmm.
Sir, width of the hysteresis is 2 volt.
Yes, right. Right. সবাই বুঝতে পারছো কিভাবে করলে বা কিভাবে হবে? যারা এখনো করতে পারেনি, কেউ আসে বুঝতে পারছো না কিভাবে করতে হবে? Is there anyone?
স্যার আমার একটা কোয়েশ্চেন আছে এই সার্কিটটার।
হ্যাঁ, বলো।
স্যার বলছি ভি রেফারেন্সটা বারবার অ্যাডজাস্ট হয়ে ইউটিপি আর এলটিপিটা আসছে আমার।
একদম।
নেগেটিভ যখন আমি আরেকটা দেখালেন
positive feedback. Because of this positive feedback, every time it will be
স্যার
changed.
পজিটিভ ফিডব্যাকটা আমি লাগাচ্ছি কেন? মানে why we are using
যদি
positive
আমার
feedback in this?
ইনপুটটা কন্টিনিউ ভ্যারি করতে থাকে, ইটস নট ফিক্সড, or if there is any noise, then I need to suppress that noise using this positive feedback.
বাট স্যার পজিটিভ ফিডব্যাক তো জেনারেলি অসিলেশন ক্রিয়েট করে নেগেটিভ নেগেটিভ থেকে, মানে নেগেটিভ তো স্টেবিলিটি দেয়।
নেগেটিভ ফিডব্যাক,
এখানে আমরা উল্টোটা ইউজ,
না,
হ্যাঁ
না, না।
নেগেটিভ ফিডব্যাক তো জেনারেলি স্টেবল
yes,
সিস্টেম
yes,
হয়, আর
definitely.
পজিটিভ
I have
ফিডব্যাকে তো
এবার according to your requirement which you need to perform, you can select in that way. That's why I have given the inverting positive feedback, non-inverting positive feedback. You can make it as negative feedback also, according to your requirement. আমি প্রত্যেকটা ধরে ধরে করাচ্ছি না, I just give an idea.
ওকে ওকে স্যার।
Yes.
উইথটা কি করে মেজার করছে একটু বলুন।
উইথটা ওখানে তো ফর্মুলা দেওয়াই ছিল, আফটার ক্যালকুলেটিং দ্য ভোল্টেজ লোয়ার ট্রিপ পয়েন্ট and upper trip point, so what will be the hysteresis voltage difference? That is equivalent to the plus V reference, means the beta into VCC, and negative V reference, which is the beta into VCC again. And if the difference is given, then 1 plus 1, 2 volt will be there. Hello.
Yes sir.
So that's why, and it is given here also. V hysteresis 2 beta into VCC. So 2 beta into VCC 0.1, 2 into 0.1 into VCC 10 volt, that is also 2 volt. You can either calculate it in this way using separately, or directly you can put it here also. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Okay. So I'll need to take your attendances. Okay, so that's all for today. If this meeting is ended within few minutes, you have 4 minutes also. Please join and take and give your attendance. Then you may leave. Okay. So everyone, switch on your video and give me the attendance. Wait a minute.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Okay. Roll number 6. Roll number 6. Roll number 7.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Roll number 6.
Roll number 6. Switch on your
Yes, sir.
videos.
Present. Vishnu Kumar.
7.
Present, sir.
8.
Yes, sir.
9.
Yes, sir.
10. Roll number 10. Roll number 10. 11.
Yes, sir.
12. Roll number 12.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 11 present, sir.
Yes, 11 present. 12. Shubham Sharma present.
Yes, sir.
Then roll number 13. 13. Roll number 13. Shubham Gorai. 14. Roll number 14. Subhajit Bose.
Present, sir.
15.
Sir, present.
Subhajit Bera. 15.
Hello,
16.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, roll 10 present.
Roll 10. 15. Roll number 15. Subhajit Bera. Roll number 16. 17. 18. 19. Roll number 17. Saurabh Ghosh.
Roll 19 and present.
Roll 19. Okay.
Present.
7 present.
17 present. Okay. Mark. Roll number 20. Roll number 20. Roll number 20. 21.
Present, sir.
Roll number 21. Shreya.
Present, sir.
22. Shaunak Bose. 23. Sayandeep Gorai. 23. 24. Sorry, 25. Sottopriyo. Sottopriyo. 26. Roll number 26.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
27.
Yes, sir. 27.
27. Okay, please join. If this one is ended, if this is ended within 1 minute, please join again to give your attendances. 29.
Present, sir.
30.
Yes, sir. 30.
32. Roll number 32.
Yes, sir. 32.
33.
Yes, sir. 33.
35.